And here they are.
The Brick Twins!
Welcome back to the Brick Twins, and today we're going to be building set 43272. Hey Hey, the set comes with 566 pieces, and they're saying it's based off Moana 2, but it could also be based off Moana, the original one. But I think this looks really nice. They're coming out with more buildable figures now, and this one does not look like it's going to fail to impress. It has a lot of very vibrant colors, and it looks really realistic too. They also give it its own display plaque that you can take on and off, and has a special Hei Hei printed 2x4 tile with like the round edges on the side. Goes in the back, you can see how it's able to be taken off, and it's a really nice display item. Let's get it open. This set comes with 4 bags. I don't know why 3 is so small, but this is pretty good. I don't really know why they came up with the little small bags in it where the pieces could just fit in there. But yeah, it looks really fun. We also get one instruction booklet here. That is pretty nice. It's also thicker too, so it doesn't have like it's not like so floppy. Okay, let's get building. We just finished the Hey Hey buildable figure, and this is something that LEGO has been getting so good at. It's truly making the angles and shapes and designs of the figures. You don't even have to get the big 18+ ones like Simba and all that to get a very good buildable figure that matches the actual figure from the movie and character. So Hey Hey is no different than what LEGO has been doing. So he actually sits on a stand, so you can easily take him off, which it says you can easily take him off, but it hasn't been too easy for me. So you probably, for display, you probably just want to keep him on the stand. That's my advice. Also, if you take him off the stand, what else would you do with this? And this is really nicely detailed, which is the first thing we'll start off with, the stand. So the outside is covered with these 1x1 like hill tiles, and they go all the way around. And then there's also some angled ones. So these are the 2x6 sections right here, and the 2x4 sections. Then on top there's a bunch of green plate, and then all these flowers that circulate around in front. There's a plaque that says Hey Hey with some flowers, and there's some thorns back here. And then these are the tiles right here that he sits on. It's kind of like the brickhead ones, where they have like the plates or the tiles of the jumpers that the brickhead sits on. And it's actually pretty big too, and it looks very detailed. It's very nicely done. It's not like there's any like white cracks or anything with the Simba buildable figure. You can see like the little orange cracks in between there. But this actually looks really, really nice. A lot of detail went into the stand. Now I want to go on to Hey Hey himself. The figure has these orange legs that are made using the Technic pieces. And then around are 4 different like plate extents that have the little shark tooth pieces and the 1x2 slopes. Then as you come up, we enter the body section, which has a bunch of blue, aqua blue, light blue slopes and plate to really curve this and make it look realistic. We have some little wings up here. And in the back, we have probably the coolest part of this set, which are these big wings, not wings like feathers, and they all stretch out. Tons of cool colors and very lifelike angles go into making that. And also these like transparent blue fawns back here. Then we come to the neck, which has a bunch of tiles, and LEGO gave us a little, like, before the tour to the next bag, it shows you all the different colors that you had to use since they look very familiar. And I was like, oh, like, I've been building for like 7 years, I don't need that. So I go and I run into multiple mistakes because the colors match. and it's sometimes hard because you think you put on one color and it's actually another color. So if you've been building Lego for like a really long time, that shouldn't bother you. I don't know why it really bothered me. It never usually does, so that was kind of odd. But yeah, the neck is pretty sizable, 4 studs wide, and again, it uses a lot of those orange and yellow tiles. Then we come up to another very cool part of the set. Probably the most lifelike part of the set is definitely the head. These eyes look very relevant to the movie, the two movies actually, and it looks very, very realistic. Then we have his beak, all these orange tiles, and the head arches too, which use some cheese slopes and some 1x2 like arch plate / bricks, kind of a hybrid. But overall, this set is really awesome. The tiles, the slopes, the brick, the plate, and the detail really go in to make this figure look super lifelike. And the stand just adds that much more design and lifelikeness and display ability to the figure. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you guys so much for watching today's episode on the Brick Twins.